Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how I make these delicious potato buns. So if you are interested, stick around and let's get started. So guys, here are the potatoes that I'm going to be using. I'll start by washing the potatoes. So guys, wash your potatoes very well. And for the ingredients and the measurement that I use for this recipe, I'm going to leave everything in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. My water is already boiling. I'm going to be cooking the potatoes. I'm just going to cook it until the potato is well soft. While I'm waiting for my potatoes to cook, I'll start by sieving my all-purpose flour. I'll add baking powder, salt, powdered milk, nutmeg, and sugar. I'm going to mix everything together properly. Now our potatoes is ready. I'm just going to place it inside cold water so that I can able to take off the skin. I'm going to be using my masher to mash the potatoes. So now I'm just going to break my eggs, then I will give it a nice whisk. So in my bowl, I'm going to make a well in the middle, and I'll start by adding all the wet ingredients. Eggs, melted butter, then I'll be adding my milk bit by bit. I'm just going to be mixing everything properly. I'll be adding the milk bit by bit until I get the desire that I really want, because you don't want your butter to be too soft or too hard. Now I'm going to be adding the potatoes. I'm going to mix everything together. Make sure you mix everything together properly. So as you can see, this is the kind of consistency that I want. Not too hard and not too soft. Now I'm going to start frying the buns. So guys, please control your heat. You don't want your heat to be too high or too low. If it's too high, your buns will cook outside but inside will not be cooked. And if the heat is too low, your buns will soak oil and you will not like it. Trust me. So you just have to control the heat. So I'm just going to be flipping them up and down so that the both sides can cook properly. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade. So feel free to watch the video and you are in the right channel. In this channel we make a lot of delicious recipe. So please hit that subscribe button if you want to be a part of this family. And remember to set the notification bell to all. In that way you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos. For my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back. So now I've been frying these buns for about 12 to 13 minutes. As you can see, the buns is well cooked, so beautiful. Guys, trust me out, you need to try this recipe. It's so delicious, guys. I'm just going to repeat the process again. So guys, if you have watched to this minute, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you so much. Please guys, remember to hit that subscribe button and also give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support, for your encouragement, for everything you have been doing in this channel. Thank you so much. I so much appreciate. So guys, this is the end result. It comes out so good, guys. At this point, I'm going to leave you guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Ciao, bye bye.